Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you find right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend to press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it because I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you guys to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell, and then you will be in the know. Also, while you're there, there is a thumbs up button. I would ask you guys to press it for me, and I appreciate it so much if you do. The reason being is YouTube, if they see that number and if you press it, the number will increase and it will turn blue. YouTube looks at that on the videos, and then they kind of give us a shout out. If they see a lot of the thumbs up, it means that you're enjoying my videos and you're enjoying my content, and then they will put my video in front of others that enjoy this type of content, but they just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet because this is such a large platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that thumbs up for me. All right. Also, before I forget, there is a giveaway on my channel that is active for, I did with Juno&Co for the Moonshine cream. I got a PR package from them, and they generously worked with me to be able to do a giveaway with you guys that is the winner's going to be pulled at the end of the month. So I want to make sure, if you haven't had the opportunity to watch that, I will link that video for that giveaway in the description box as well. Also, all my links and everything, if you scroll down, you will see the links, or if I have discounts, anything like that. Always check the description box, because as the channel grows, I make sure to try to get things so that we're able to get discounts and things from some of these fantastic companies. All right, today we are going to be going through the Boxycharm Premium. This is my second premium. This one is actually from my original account. I have two accounts. I opened up a second account when I started this channel for getting the base box solely. That's how it started, to get the base box during the Luxe months, because I started my channel in July, and then I didn't know in September, you know, what if somebody's watching my channel and they're looking for the base box, I'm only showing the Luxe. And then I was going to keep it just for that month. And then right after that, Boxycharm started doing customization, so I ended up keeping that second base box, and then they started the premium. So I went on the wait list because I had the second account on both. So when the second wait list became available, I ended up keeping the premium for the same reason that we're the second box, because of the customization choices, always paid more than the $35 for this premium box. So the premium box is a monthly box. When you start with Boxycharm, you have to always start with the base box, and then you can get the premium, but you can then cancel the base box and stick with the premium. And the premium, like I said, is $35 a month, every single month. There's no, you can't upgrade from it, and you don't downgrade from it. It is a box on its own on their platform. All right, so I got a choice item that I cannot wait to try and share with you guys. This is from Sunday Riley, and this is an $85 value, and everything from Sunday Riley I got introduced to actually from another box subscription, which is called Ipsy, and I have been loving all of their products. There's not one that I've used that I have not seen results, and I have enjoyed. And like I said, this is an $85 valued product in a $35 box. And as I say it all the time, the value of the boxes are always, you know, manufacturer suggested retail. They're fantastic. It's, you know, this box is going to be over $200 for $35. But with that said, we can get on add-ons, and we can get on Boxy Pop-Up and all these other FabFitFuns. You can usually get these at a discounted price in reference to this because we are part of the memberships of these boxes. But for the rest of the world that doesn't get boxes, these are the prices that they will pay in the retail world. So don't discount what is in the box. How I always see the value of a box is based on what I'm going to use in the box, and it's always more than the value of the $35 that I spent on the box. So I am loving the boxes. So this is the Sunday Riley. It came in this beautiful, beautiful packaging, and I love storing them in these packaging. This is the high dose retinol serum. What is written here, and there was no card in this box, so I don't know the variation code. I apologize for that, but I don't know. And I went on to print out just some information so I can give the prices to you guys. So this is the A+ high dose retinol serum. It is an advanced strength retinol serum that delivers 6.5 solution of stabilized retinol blend with botanicals, and it is a retinol alternative extracts into the skin. This sounds high for retinol, so if you've never used retinol before, I always recommend you use it at nighttime and then make sure the next day you wear SPF. And start it either, you know, on a test on the back of your hand, where if there's going to be a reaction, it's in an area that's not like on your face. But also, I have found with Sunday Riley, there's something within the way that she manufactures her products. I know she does everything in small batches, and some of her products have aloe and things in it, so it really helps with causing less irritation to the skin. But retinol is a really, really strong ingredient, so you just have to make sure that if you're trying it for the first time, let your skin build up to it. You're going to go from, you know, a regular, you know, once a week to maybe twice a week and things like that. But definitely read on the bottle what they recommend. And the one thing good with her, oh, also when you get it, you'll press it and nothing will come out. There is a click lock on the top, so just know that when you're getting the product, and then you know, just make sure you lock it closed. But on all of her packaging, do not throw it away. Keep it in this box, because she has everything that's in here. It tells you directions. It gives you, if you're new to retinol, this is what you should do. For advanced retinol users, if you have sensitive skin, all of that is written on the side of the box, so just make sure to read that. It also is a very serum-y. Do you see how it's running? It's not running like water, but it is running like a serum. It does have a yellow tinge to it, and it is very soothing. When you put it on, you should not feel any irritation to it at all. My skin drinks it in. I'm pretty okay with retinol. I used to think I had, you know, sensitive skin, maybe based on all the skincare that I have been using for the last number of years. My skin now is expecting this type of treatment, so it's really, really great. I also had another product that I used where I used one vial for, you know, a month, then a second one. It increased the retinol for the second month, and then the same thing for the third. So by the time I hit the third vial, my skin took little bits of retinol every time, got increased, and so my skin wasn't like hit with a 6.5. So like I said, if this is the first time you're using it, 6.5 is really high. You will see tremendous results, but also you just want to be really careful when you're using that high retinol. All right, the next item that we got, everybody got in their premium boxes. So this one here, it's a palette, and it is going to go into a future giveaway, because on my channel, any duplicates that I get, especially when they're palettes, we end up doing a giveaway, so watch out for that video as well. And it's always for subscribers, so make sure to be a subscriber, which we went through at the beginning of this video, what you need to do. If you don't remember, just rewind the video or finish watching this one and then watch again so you know what you need to do. All right, so this is the palette that we got from Ciate London. I did swatch this in the first one. I will swatch it again here at the end of the video, so that if you've already seen it, you know, you'll see it again, but you'll see it at the end. But I was so impressed with this palette. I cannot believe that I'm going to have the opportunity to share it with you guys. And that palette is from Ciate London. It is for the New England Editor palette. It is a $32 value. It is inspired by the New England in fall. The palette features super soft blendable shadows in a mix of high pigmented autumn hues. The mix and match of metallics, glitters, and mattes for an effortless hazy eye look. And I'll show you what it looks like. I should have opened it. The whole entire front area has a beautiful, beautiful mirror to it. So I'm just going to cover it the best that I can. Yeah, that's good. And that's what it looks like here. The safety shield, the plastic shield just fell down. So it is has the safety shield, which I always recommend that you guys keep it so that the shadows do not end up on the mirror. Otherwise, you will see all of the shadow, because all shadow has a little bit of fallout, you will see it on the mirror. So that's what that one is here. But like I said, I'm going to swatch it for you guys at the end of the video. The next item is also a duplicate item, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this, but it's going to go into the gift area. This is from this brand called Dermelect, and it is a cosmeceutical. It is an XL Lash Volumizer. I've only used one for a very short period of time because for some reason for my eye, it caused some irritation. And this is a $49 value. They're saying it is an extra long lashes and brows can be yours. It is a thin, if you are thin and brittle, no more, as you can transform the appearance to natural, thicker, fuller, and stronger lashes or brows. The special formula has a tripeptide treatment, works to bolster weak lashes and fortify sparse, thin brows you could leave on overnight. And if you have extensions, they're saying it is extension friendly. And this is a $49 value. I have never seen one that looked like this with a wand that's literally gonna go solely on the lashes. So I'm looking a little bit more forward to trying this out, because the ones that come with that thin line, you're supposed to put on the border of your lashes, and for some reason it caused some irritation for me. There was something within the formula that just didn't agree. So this one I'm looking forward to trying to use. The next item we got was from MAC, and I always love receiving a matte lipstick. I did receive a matte lipstick in the other one, but it was a different formula and a different color, so excited about that. This one is an amplified lipstick. It is in number 108 called Dubonnet. It looks like a burgundy color to me. That's what it looks like here. I'll do a quick little swatch down here so you guys can see it. Okay, and that's what it looks like here. Okay, I'm checking because it looked like, but I think I might have hit it with my finger. I'm not sure. Anyways, I'll check it afterwards. This is what it looks like here. And then this one is $19. It is a creamy lipstick formula with a soft, cushiony feel, medium to full buildable coverage, and a satin finish. The next item, I'm so excited. I didn't even know that this was an opportunity to get in a box. So really, really excited about this. The only thing I saw sneaks of was a Fenty powder and a Too Faced powder, and I assumed everyone was getting that Too Faced powder. So when I opened up my box and I didn't get it in my original one and I didn't get it in this one, I was a little bit, but that's when, you know, the girls show those sneak peeks. We never know. And there's so many variations, you never know what you're gonna get. So that was what I thought was supposed to be in my box, but this is fantastic that I ended up getting a Fenty product. And this is a portable contoured concealer brush. And this has a $24 value. And oh wow, it looks like they're sticks. If you've ever received her magnetic sticks, this is what it looks like here. Really, really pretty. The packaging is beautiful. Wow, that's what it looks like here. Oh, and it feels like heaven. And it's dense enough because the bristles are really packed that this is really, really good for chiseling out a contour. Oh, this is beautiful. So this says blend in but stand out. This is a magnetic portable contour and conceal brush. It attaches to its perfect partner, those matte skin sticks. So you can correct, conceal, contour, or simply touch up wherever and whenever. Smoothing, tapered, soft synthetic bristles are cut for foolproof precision, letting you instantly blend those matte skin sticks and make them buildable, powdered, soft formulas until you've achieved just the right amount of coverage. This retractable and totally portable, this is the perfect travel makeup brush you will never leave home without. So now that I own this, I guess on the next add-on or pop-up sale when I'll see some Fenty products that are those contour sticks, I'm going to do some research on them because there seem to be multiple colors and I didn't know enough information to start purchasing it from a pop-up sale. I'm going to look into it now because now that I have the brush that will help blend that formula, I think that's an absolute win-win. So that's really exciting. And then the last item that I received, I'm also really happy about because Milk Makeup, this is one of the first, no, I got a couple of cream blushes in the past that you could use as lips or on your cheeks. And then this is another one from Milk. I'm really excited. And I did buy something from the Milk Makeup brand. I think it's either in the pop-up. No, I think I chose it as an add-on in my Luxe for next month. Everything happened within the same period of time. I can't remember what I did where. It's so crazy. Anyways, this is the Milk Makeup Long Wear Gel Eyeliner. This is a $22 value. It is a long wear gel eyeliner. It has a highly pigmented waterproof formula that stays in the line all day long. It's hydrating with avocado oil and hyaluronic acid combined to smooth the look of skin, so liner will glide on without pulling or catching. The liner comes with a shaper and a smudger to allow you to use precise application or a smoky effect depending on your mood. So I'm so excited. Okay, this is what the color must be on the back, and it's called Biz, I guess. That's what's written here. And I wonder if it's like this color of what the box is, because it looks like that to me. This size here has a smudger. Wow, this is so cool. And then the other side should have the pencil. There we are here. And it looks like a really unique color. Yeah, it's like, wow, it is stunning. It is like a grape, like a mixture between a charcoal and a plum. It is really beautiful. Really, really excited to get this. All right, so that's the item there. And that's everything we got in the box. So now I'm just gonna do some couple of swatches for you guys. There are no names on it on the back or on the front. So I'm just going to take it here. I'm gonna do, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 on the top row. So I'm gonna do the first 4 and then the 2 and then do it row by row. So the top row, talking in riddles. The top row, it looks like there's 1 matte, and then right beside it there are 2 shimmers. These are beautiful, beautiful colors. They go on just stunning. I haven't had the opportunity to try the product yet, but it is beyond gorgeous. That's what it looks like here. And then I'm going to do the second row so that the darker colors we're going to do at the end. So the second row, it starts also with a matte, and then it has 3 shimmers as well. So you got the matte and the 3 shimmers. Look how beautiful these colors are. They're so fantastic. So I don't think this is solely fall. I think this is the 4-season palette. It is, look at this. It is just stunning. And then the last 4, we have, it starts with a shimmer. Oh God, some of these are like just like beyond. Some are like more metallic than the others. So that's what this looks like here. Those are the colors there. Now I'm going to go back to the top row and do the last 2. So we've got a shimmer and a matte, and this blue looks beyond stunning. They're all stunning. I shouldn't even say that. They're just all stunning. Those are those 2 there. Went really close together. Sorry, guys. And then the second row, the last 2 are there. And then the final 2 is a matte. And then this purple. So this is a fantastic color to have in every palette. And that's what it looks like there. Beyond stunning. So once again, this is the Ciate London palette. And keep your eyes open, because we're definitely going to have this one in a future giveaway, because it is a duplicate. Everyone who got premium got this in their box. And because I get the 2 boxes here, you're going to be seeing this in a future giveaway. So once again, I think we did fantastic. So like I said, the value of this box, which is $35, ended up being $231. This alone was at $85. We got the fantastic Ciate London palette. We got this Lash XL booster. We got a beautiful matte lipstick. We got that Fenty brush. And then, of course, the Milk eyeliner in the Longwear gel eyeliner. Really, really happy about this. And that's everything. So once again, everybody, thanks so much for tuning in and spending some of your time of your day with me. I truly do appreciate that. But really, what's really important during this time is that everybody continues to stay safe and stay well, because all of this is fun and you can enjoy if you have your health. All right, thanks again, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.